Hey there, savvy hustlers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of making money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to build an empire or just earn some extra cash, this video is for you. I'm your host, and I've got 3 powerhouse strategies to share. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest tips and tricks. Now let's get into the good stuff. First up, we have the ever-thriving world of e-commerce. In 2023, selling products online has never been more accessible. From handmade crafts to dropshipping high-demand items, there's a niche for everyone. Set up shop on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, leverage social media for marketing, and watch those sales roll in. The key here is finding a product you're passionate about and meeting the needs of your target audience. Next on our list is the powerhouse known as affiliate marketing. It's like earning a commission for simply recommending products. Join affiliate programs of companies you love, create engaging content around those products, and include your unique affiliate links. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. Think of it as a win-win. You're helping others discover great products and you're earning a piece of the pie. Last but certainly not least, we have the art of content creation. Whether you're into blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, creating valuable content can turn into a lucrative venture. Platforms like YouTube, Medium, and even TikTok offer opportunities to monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and partnerships. Remember, consistency is key. Find your unique voice, stay authentic, and watch your audience and income grow. And there you have it. 3 powerful strategies to make money online in 2023. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your hustler friends, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, keep hustling and stay tuned for our next deep dive. This is signing off. Don't miss out on the latest strategies. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of online hustlers. Happy hustling!